going on, everybody? So you're in the video. I have not made a trucking video in a while. So we got a truck out here in the driveway we want to show you. A new owner-operator joined the team. But also, Fogline software. If you've not done your Fogline software, where? No edits. Software's down. So I highly recommend the Fogline. It's a great tool. Link is in the description. Use my code. Get your maybe $25 off. 10%. I'm not really sure. But anyway, use the code LIFE10. I think that's the code. Anyway, it's in the description. Touch the little arrow right there. Drop down box appears. Check that out. Get your Fogline software so you can track your numbers, know your numbers, and keep up with all your documents. Everything's phenomenal. Spreadsheets like crazy. If you're having trouble surfing this video on the road, sourcing the data, go to My Unlimitedville. It's not My Unlimited. It's just unlimitedville.com. I always say My Unlimitedville because it used to be years ago. But unlimitedville.com and get your subscription to that. You can stream movies, Hulu, Netflix. If you run whatever movie source you have for watching TV, you can stream all your movies, videos. You run your laptop to do your business, to load boards, everything. The link is in the description of that. If you use my link, you get $50 off that subscription, which is not a subscription, no contracts, no fees, no nothing. One time, a monthly deal. Pick your plan you want, pink, blue, or green, and you're good to go. Is it green, blue, pink, or red? I got the pink plan currently. I used to have blue in the Peterbilt, and we're going to try to run the pink for where I'm going and see how that does. But it's truly unlimited. Use the link in the description, get $50 off of that. Now, let's show you what's in the driveway. Pretty exciting stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all, and y'all have a happy new year, and we'll see you on the next Idiotic Ramblings. Stay tuned and we'll look what's in the driveway. Big truck in the house there. Come on. Look at that green stuff are growing. Amazing. Right here in December. And grass seed we put out a couple weeks ago is already sprouted. December's supposed to be cold, up in 70 degrees today. Was sunshiny out. Check that beautiful rig out. Love that color. Fixing to throw some decals on it. Base plate on there. EOD in it. All the good stuff. What I try to put in that bay right there, but I'm worried about my soft spot right there. I think that thing's heavy. The garage will hold it. The pad will hold it, but taking this concrete, that right there is going to be a problem. The truck has to come right through here to get in there. So, yeah. And I left the garage, I screwed the garage over so I'd have a place here to park a trailer. So I can back a 53-foot trailer down through there, drop it, be good to go. Or the RV or whatever. That's why we left all that space there and screwed the garage over here. But that puts the doors in line. This bay here is actually okay. Let me show you what it does. Let me go back here and look at give you the bird's eye view. So to bring the RV in, or our trailer, you got to come in here. So if you're really long, you need to get your front end over where that grass is. That's about, I'm going to say 60 feet. It might be more than that. Might be 70. Need to measure. It could be a good 75 feet from here to the grass. And if you want to come into this bay, then you just don't have. You probably got a good 45, 50 feet. So it'd be hard to get a trailer squared up. And then this bay here is also impossible. You just need for cars. So, because of the curve, you know. That's why we did that, you know. And but anyway, we could get that truck in there easily. But it's a soft spot. We might still get in there and do the decals and and whatnot. But anyway, I got some beautiful orange decals put on that. It's gonna make it look pretty. It'll be a Florida Gator color. That truck is actually gonna run out of Florida. So blue and the orange will be a Gators. You know, we are in Vol country. We are Vol fans. We have Florida Gator truck there. Come on. All right, see ya.